water from Megalong. It's a sewage water in this parade. It's black. It's very smelly, and it needs to be covered from the nose of the people. It will come out in the main drain at Parichuta. Fit the gap with that. Definitely you will leave a gap, and from that gap there, oh, the smelly part of the water on the ground, the sewer water, will come into the air, and we can smell it from the restaurant. Give me a cough.